Hello, I'm Alice and I'm standing here in the Garage Door Centre showroom in Wellingborough. And today I want to show you the SWS roller door, specifically the Excel one, which is right here, and why it stands apart from the rest. This one is police approved, secured by design. I have a lath here, which is the size of their lath. This is 77mm high and 14mm thick. More features that make this door stand apart from its competitors and more secure are the 90mm guides, which are wider than most others. They hold the curtain in place very securely. The extra wide motor shaft, and these straps, which are metal, and they prevent anyone lifting the curtain because they hold this against the wall when it's closed. And here you can see webbing that's unique to SWS. This has the added benefit of preventing any noise when there's a strong gale. All these doors come with safety edge technology. With each roller door, you get two handsets, so you can choose any one of these. As you can see, you get 23 colour choices with this door. An added security benefit of the Excel roller door is this, and this item is attached at each end of the bottom lath. When the door is closed, assuming that's the guide, this item sits down into the guide and prevents the curtain being pushed out. And this box allows you to have the Somfy home automation system, which enables you to control your door from across the world using an app on a smartphone.